Hi guys, welcome to Stack Academy. We have started this channel for supporting those who wanted to be a developer. If you interested in developing or in robotics or in embedded system developing or in other coding means other domains, please please subscribe our channel, share and like our videos. Okay guys, today we are going to discuss about how a humidity sensor is connected with Arduino. Humidity sensor is a analog sensor, so we should have to provide the output pin into the analog pin, and we should have to take the analog reading. Here we can see how the Arduino Mega and the humidity sensor is DH11. How humidity sensor is connected. This is the DH11 humidity sensor. It has a VCC, then a data pin, then a ground. VCC is connected with 5 volt, and the output pin is connected with the analog pin, and the ground is grounded. Okay, now we are going to opening a Arduino IDE for coding a humidity sensor. Now we can see the window is opened. Okay guys, let's just start our coding. Okay, first of all we provided include dht.h library. You should have to understand or remember another thing too. That means from manage library you should have to include DHT library, because some boards or some Arduino IDEs dht.h library don't support. If you find so, then go to the manage libraries and include dht.h library. Okay, then we provide defined DHT A pin. A0 pin means we define A0 pin as DHT analog pin. Then we provide DHT caps lock DHT as pin. Then we provide void setup. Then we provide the serial begin. Means we are going to serial print the readings of humidity and temperature. So we provide serial begin, DHT and void setup, serial begin. When we are going to provide a serial frequency. Okay guys, you can see the coding. Okay, then we provide a delay 500. Then we provide a serial print line, humidity and temperature. we should have to serially print humidity and temperature. So we provided in void setup serial print line humidity and temperature. Then we provide a delay 1000. Then we can see provide a void loop dht dot read 11 dht a pin. Then we providing a serial print current humidity equal to serial print dht dot humidity because we should have it to print dht dot humidity after current humidity the means value of humidity. So we provided it. Now we are going to provide serial temperature. So serial print temperature current temperature and serial print dht dot temperature. Okay, we provided serial print temperature, then serial print dht dot temperature means temperature value, then provide serial print line. We have seen an error in the program that void setup. I have provided two void setup, that was an error. In second, now I rectified that error and I provide void loop. You should have to mention that too. Then I provide serial print C, then delay 500. Now I am uploading to Arduino Mega. Now we are going to see how the humidity sensor is working. Okay, now we can see what is printed in the serial monitor. Humidity and temperature, current humidity and current temperature is printed there. Okay, now we can see the Arduino Mega and the humidity sensor. This is the humidity sensor. When we provide the power, the LED light will be on. Now you can see the connection I provided to a 0 pin and a ground pin and a VCC pin. Now we can see the values what is blinking in the serial monitor. You can see the current temperature and current humidity is changing at a particular interval. The readings are same because now we are in room temperature. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel and videos.